The next dance that we're going to show you is the Broadway Quickstep. Now, there are many versions of the Broadway Quickstep, but the dance that we're doing today is the way it was invented. We commence in ballroom hold, facing diagonal to the wall. We're going to walk into quarter turns. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. I'll show you just one more time. You'll notice in the second half of the quarter turn, the boy has a heel turn or heel pivot. Slow, quick, quick, while the lady dances a chassé. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. We're now going in to a zigzag to back diagonal to the wall. Lady will dance a heel turn. Slow, slow, slow. Into a backlock. Quick, quick, slow. And we finished bar 7 with an open impetus turn, the gentleman's heel turn into a point. Slow, slow, slow. That's the first 7 bars. I'm going to put those together for you, and I'll count them for you in rhythm. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 slow. We continue now from bar 8. A natural running finish into a check outside partner into a backlock. And quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We're going to check, back on the left, gentleman, lady forward on the right, into a forward lock step. Check, replace, and step, cross, step. So if you can show you those few bars again. From the point, and quick, quick, slow, check, back, step, lock, step, check, forward, step, cross, step. So now if we can put the dance together from the beginning as far as there for you. And I'm counting it in rhythm. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We finish the dance with a natural spin turn and side chassis, commencing with right foot forward outside of the lady, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 finishing backing diag centre, into our side closes, back, side close, and we're back to our commencing position to start the dance again. Now we'll go right the way through from the beginning, counting the dance in slows and quicks, which of course is rhythm. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 quick.